I'll be explaining how to use the shape tools in Figma to draw shapes. Now, shapes form part of our designs. They form buttons and input forms and other components in our designs. So I'll start with the rectangle, but first I'll show the collection of tools under the shape tools: the rectangle, the line, the arrow, the ellipse, the polygon, the star. Okay, so we start with the rectangle tool. You can draw out a rectangle easily by just left clicking and dragging out. Then you can also draw a square, which is a rectangle with both sides equal, by holding down shift and drawing out. If you look at the dimensions here, you can see the width and the height are the same. You can also round the corners by applying the corner radius. Let's apply a corner radius of 20. Now look at the corners here are now rounded. You can add a fill color if you like. I'll go with something maybe goldish. It looks good, I guess. Then you can apply, apply the same color to the square, and also apply a stroke. There's a black stroke around. Let me increase it. Now it has a stroke of 5 pixels. It looks nice actually. Then you can draw lines in any direction. If you hold down shift when you are drawing the line, you have a perfectly horizontal line, a line at 45 degrees, a perfectly vertical line, 45 degrees again. So it goes round. Once you hold shift, it snaps to give you all these values. Then maybe you can increase the stroke of the line to, let's say, 10 or 10. Okay. You can change the color of the stroke. Let's make it a bit green. You can see it now. Now let's draw an ellipse. You can draw any circle of any form. Then you can also draw a perfect circle. I held down shift when I drew this circle. I could do it again. So holding down shift, then you have a perfect circle. Look at the width and the height. These are the positions of the shape. You can see it's locked to show that, constrained to show that both sides will always be equal no matter what when you draw it out. Okay, so apply a fill of red. Let's apply a fill of, not done blue, let's do blue. Okay, it looks nice. You can draw out an arrow too, again holding shift. Now let's increase the stroke to, let's say, 10 again. You can see the line and the arrow points, the tip. Let's make this one green again. And the polygon draws out a rectangle. If I change this value from 3 to 5, it gives us 5 sides. So you can go back to a triangle by putting 3 sides, because it will have 1, 2, 3. So now you have 3 sides. Or you can go up, let's say 10, it doesn't hurt. Now you have a decagon. Cool. Okay, let's go with 8 so that we can almost make, I think it's 6 for a stop sign. No, it's not 6, it's probably 8. To make something that looks like a stop sign, I would like the bottom to be horizontal. Yes, this looks good. Then you could apply a fill of red. Now just to put your text in here, or let's apply, okay, let's leave it like this. It looks nice. Looks like a stop sign. You could make it exactly 45 degrees. Okay, let's make it 90 degrees then. Okay, this is it. At least it looks a bit more like a stop sign now. This is okay. And we also have the star. We didn't draw any stars. We obviously make the star yellow. Okay, so we have a star. You can drag it out, you can pull it in using this node. You can round corners of the star also. It makes it look like a starfish, but let's leave it sharp and draw this in. You can also duplicate your shapes by holding down the Alt key on your Windows. Now we've duplicated it, then let's make this one a bit rounded. Okay, change the color, make it green. Looks nice. Okay. So I have shown how to use the shape tools in Figma. I hope this is helpful. So anyone wanting to learn. Oh wait, there's an arc tool too. Once you hold down node and drag it in, you can cut the shape up to something that looks like a quadrant. Okay, so I'll end this video here. Thank you for watching.